welcome to Terra Special. In this video tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a line data in QGIS. So, in the previous video, we have seen how to create a point data in QGIS. Now, let us see how to create line data in QGIS. So, let me first add the line shapefile. So, you can see we need to select the vector option, and you can hit the button browse. Here we can search for the file and select the file which we are looking for. For example, I have created a line QGIS feature. So I have made a video for it. You can just check it in the description section. So it's just a continuation. So line QGIS, you need to select the file format SHP file, click open and hit the button add. So once you have added the file, you can see this is the line. Now right click on this line feature and go to the option properties, and here you can see, or you can select symbology. Here you can select the colors or differentiate the line with different symbologies. You can choose any of this type. Here you can find the option all symbols. You can choose any one of this. For example, in this case I need a simple black line, so I'm going to select a simple black line and I'm going to give a color for it. So the color will be black. You can choose the color from here. You can just move this and pick on the appropriate color. You can determine the level of the color. Like this you can do. So in this case I'm going to use the black color, and I'll be giving a width of 1.2, the line thickness 1.2. so let me apply it and just click OK. So now just select the line feature and now right click on it, and you can find the option toggle editing. You can select it, or otherwise you can directly select. After selecting this feature, line feature, you can directly select toggle editing. So if you don't find this tool over here, just right click on this empty space. Under toolbar section you can find the digitizing tool. You just have to enable it. It will be available on the top. So now click on the toggle editing and now hit the button add line feature. So we are going to create a line data from this point. So from this point to this point. So using the line feature, we can digitize roads, we can digitize rivers, we can digitize canals, streets. So here I am going to digitize a road. So let me start from here. So you need to create a line. So in order to create a line feature, you should left click on the map so that you can create a line. So you can create a line like this. In order to maintain the shape, we are going to put more points. That is nothing but the more vertices we put, the line shape will be maintained accurately. For example, you can just see over here, the line has a small bend. If you put points accordingly, the line shape will be maintained. So while digitizing, use the left click to point to put points. So you can see I am just left clicking, putting a point, left clicking. Here we need to maintain the shape, so I have given more points on the turning region. So here I can put Here I need to put more, so that I put more points so that the shape will be maintained. And while digitizing, try to zoom in as much as possible so that the digitizing will be accurate. Here you can just see. So here we need to give more points in the turning to maintain the shape. Please should remember that while digitizing, use the left click to put more points. Try to zoom in as much as possible. So you can see we have started digitize from here and we are just going on. Let me put the points and let me maintain the shape of the line so that we are perfectly tracing this road. You can use the scroll button to zoom in and zoom out. You can easily move around the screen. You can use the scroll button in the mouse. Likewise, you can create or digitize lines. So here you can see these lines are very much straight, so you don't need that much point in between. So here I am going to finish it. So while finishing, click on the end point and use the right click option so that your digitize will be completed. So you can see after right clicking, you can see IDs, names and all are available. So we have created the shapefile. I have given few attributes, name and length. So the ID should be always be unique. It should not be the same. So let me start from 0 and I'll be giving a name as road number 1, and let us assume the road length to be 1.5 kilometers and click the option OK. So now we have created a road and you can see the road starting from here to here. So let us look on the in another example. We'll digitize a canal that you can find over here. There's a canal flowing. Let me digitize it from here, from the start. So here we need to just keep it in mind. We have to left click, keep that in mind. By digitizing, we need to click the left click. We'll be creating more vertexes. So vertex points are control the shape of a line and polygon. So vertexes are important so that the shape of the line or shape of the polygon will be maintained. So here I'll be giving more vertexes or more points. So you can see it is a straight line. You can use the scroll button to zoom in, zoom out. So you can see here. So I'm going to digitize till this road. In the end, on the finishing point, just left click, and for finishing the line you should click on the right click so that the line will be completed. Here we'll be giving another ID of 1. So in the name I'll be giving it as canal, and the length will be around 0.8 or 0.7 kilometers. So we have created a line. First we have created a road, and on the next we have created a canal. So likewise you can digitize roads, river networks, streams, streets, canals, and etc. So for example, if you want to remove this line, you can just use this button, undo, or if you want to redo that, you can use this button, redo. So likewise you can do. And much importantly, in order to save this line, we have to click on the save layer edits, so that the line feature will be saved. So now we have saved it, and we have to unselect the toggling editing. So we have successfully created line feature. So if you have any doubts in this, please do ask in the comment section. I will be answering to your questions. Thanks for watching everyone. Goodbye.